Today I am going to talk about 15 facts about me. Number 1. My name is ธนชาติ แทนพรหม 2. My nickname is Champ. 3. I am 17-year-old. 4. My birthday is June. 5. I was born in Singburi. 6. I study at Singburi School. 7. I like playing Free Fire. 8. I like eating fried food. 9. I like listening to music. 10. My favorite color is yellow. 11. I like dog. 12. My favorite season is winter. 13. I like spending my time with friends. 14. I enjoy watch YouTube. 15. I want to succeed in the future.